So sana magustuhan nyo to. May tumatawag dun. Kita nyo naman, live na live to Live na live to. Para sa inyo to. Yeah. I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. 'Cause here we are back where we were before. Seems nothing ever changes. We're back to being strangers, wondering if we ought to stay or head on out the door. Just once, can we figure out what we keep doing wrong? Why the good times never last for long? What are we doing wrong? And I say, just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? To make the magic last for more than just one night. I know we could break through it if we could just get to it. Just once. Yun o, galing talaga ni Papa Teddy. Angas, angas. Maraming salamat. And actually, parang ako mismo, personally, nabitin ako. So, I think, pwede natin tanungin si Teddy kung ano yung baka may naiisip siyang kanta na gustong marinig ng taga Cebu. Anong tingin mo na pwede nating iparinig pa sa kanila? Pero kung sasabihin sa kanila, surprise na lang natin. Bulong mo lang sa akin.
Ganito yan kasi
Yan.
alam mo, napakatindi ng pagmamahal natin sa mga taga Cebu. Kaya ito yung kanta na isip.
Okay. Surprise. Wait lang. Medyo, para lang sure tayo. Para hindi na tayo take two. Search ko lang. I'm lying alone with my head on the phone, thinking of you till it hurts. I know you hurt too, but what else can we do to mend it torn apart? I wish I could carry your smile in my heart for times when my life seems so low. It would make me believe what tomorrow could bring when today doesn't really know. I'm all out of love, so lost without you. I know you were right, believing for so long. I'm all out of love. What am I without you? I can't be too late to say that